In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok Shop not showing. If you're not seeing the TikTok Shop option on your profile or inside your tools, it's usually because your seller account isn't fully set up yet or your account type isn't optimized for shopping features. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, step by step, so everything appears where it should. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for selling. From the main screen, head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. This is where you can access all of your account tools. At the top right of your profile, tap the three lines to open the menu. This is your gateway to settings and professional tools. From here, select TikTok Studio. Think of TikTok Studio as your central dashboard for content, analytics, and commerce tools. If your shop isn't showing, getting into Studio is an important clue because it often points to setup steps you still need to complete. Inside TikTok Studio, look for TikTok Shop for Seller. Tap that, and if you haven't signed up yet, you'll be prompted to create your seller store. Follow the on-screen guidance to provide the required business details and upload any necessary documents. These documents are used to verify your identity and eligibility to sell, which helps protect both you and your customers. Be sure the information you enter is accurate and matches your documents to avoid delays. Verification can take a little time, so don't worry if the shop option doesn't appear immediately after you submit. Approval is a normal part of the process. Also, availability can vary by region and category, so what you see may differ slightly. Once your seller setup is complete, go back to your account settings. From the same three-line menu, open Settings and Privacy, then find the Account section. Here, tap Switch to Business Account. A business account is designed for brands and sellers and gives you access to commerce features, including TikTok Shop. Switching won't delete your content, but it may change a few features like access to certain sounds. If you sell products, the trade-off is worth it because it aligns your profile with TikTok's requirements for shopping tools. After these steps, signing up in TikTok Shop for Seller and switching to a business account, your TikTok Shop should begin to appear in TikTok Studio and on your profile once verification is complete. If it's still not visible, give it a bit more time for review. That's it. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have your TikTok Shop showing and ready to go.